Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel. Students, today we will solve exercise 3.1 question number 2. Question number 2 है हमारे पास. In a class of 60 students, 25 students are girls and remaining students are boys. Compute the ratio of number 1 boys to total students and boys to girls. So first of all हमारे पास total students 60 थे और girls 25 थी. तो हमारे पास boys कितने होंगे 60 minus 25 which is equal to 35. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने रेशियो बतानी है बॉयज़ टू टोटल स्टूडेंट्स. सो बॉयज़ हमारे पास है 35 रेशियो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स है 60. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हमारे पास आ जाएगा 7 रेशियो 12. सेकेंडली हमने रेशियो बतानी है बॉयज़ टू गर्ल्स. सो बॉयज़ हमारे पास है 35 गर्ल्स है 25. तो रेशियो निकालेंगे हमारे पास आ जाएगी 7 रेशियो 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हमारा हो चुका कंप्लीट. अब हम चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है हमारे पास. इफ 3 into 4x minus 5y is equal to 2x minus 7y, find the ratio x ratio y. So what will we do? We will simplify this. 3 into 4x minus 5y is equal to 2x minus 7y. So we will multiply 3 with 4x and 5y. 4 3 is 12. 12x minus 15y is equal to 2x minus 7y. Now we will arrange 12x minus 2x is equal to 10x and minus 7 plus 15 is equal to plus 8y. So x over y is equal to 8 over 10. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हमारे पास 2 4 ज़ा 8 2 5 ज़ा 10 x और y is equal to आ जाएगा 4 over 5. So x ratio y is equal to 4 ratio 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है हमारे पास. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p if the ratio 2p plus 5 ratio 3p plus 4 and 3 ratio 4 are equal. So what will we do? 2p plus 5 ratio 3p plus 4 is equal to 3 ratio 4. या इसको हम इस तरह में लिख सकते हैं 2p plus 5 over 3p plus 4 is equal to 3 over 4. So now we will simplify. We will multiply 4 with 2p plus 5 and 3 with 3p plus 4. We will get 8p plus 20 is equal to 9p plus 12. Now we will rearrange 20 minus 12, 9p minus 8p. So we will get p is equal to 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो चुका है हमारा कंप्लीट. अब हम चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है हमारे पास. इफ द रेशियो 3x plus 1 ratio 6x plus 4x 6 plus 4x and 2 ratio 5 are equal, find the value of x. What will we do? We'll equal 3x plus 1 over 6 plus 4x is equal to 2 over 5. Now we will cross multiply 5 with 3x plus 1 and 6 plus 4x with 2. We will get 15x plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 8x. Now we will arrange 15x minus 8x and 12 minus 5. We will get 7x is equal to 7. Now x is equal to 1. 7 multiply जाके divide हो जाएगा. We will get 1. Question number 5 हो चुका हमारा complete. Now we will move to our question number 6, which is two numbers are in the ratio 5 ratio 8. If 9 is added to each number, we will get a new ratio 8 ratio 11. Find the numbers. So multiply each number with x. We get 5x ratio 8x. According to condition 5x plus 9 over 8x plus 9 is equal to 8 over 11. Now we will cross multiply. We will get 55x plus 99 is equal to 64x plus 72. Now we will simplify. We will get 27 is equal to 9x and x is equal to 3. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15 and 8 into 3 is equal to 24. So numbers are 15 and 24. So question number 6 हो चुका हमारा complete. Now we will move to question number 7. So question number 7 is, if 10 is added to each number of the ratio 4 ratio 13, we get a new ratio 1 ratio 2. What are the numbers? Multiply each number with x. We get 4x ratio 13x according to condition. 4x plus 10 over 13x plus 10 is equal to 1 over 2. We will cross multiply. We get 2x. 8x plus 20 is equal to 13x plus 10. 20 minus 10 and 13x minus 8x. So we will get 10 minus 5x and x is equal to 2. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and 13 into 2 is equal to 26. So numbers are 8 and 26. Question number 8 है हमारे पास. Find the cost of 8 kg mangoes if 5 kg mangoes cost 250. So let x be the cost of 8 kg mangoes. Then in proportion 8 ratio 5 proportion x ratio 250. So product of we know and mean. In proportion we multiply the products and we multiply the extremes. So product of means is equal to product of extremes. So 5x is equal to 250 into 8 and x is equal to 8 into 250 over 5. So x is equal to 400. So price of 8 kg mangoes is 400. Question number 9 है हमारे पास. If a ratio b is equal to 7 ratio 6, then find the value of 3a plus 5b ratio 7b minus 5a. As a ratio b is equal to 7 ratio 6, so a over b is equal to 7 over 6. So 3a plus 5b ratio 7b minus 5a is equal to 3a plus 5b over 7b minus 5a. Divide numerator and denominator by b. We will get 3a over b plus 5 over 7 minus 5a over b. So a over b is equal to 7 by 6. ये पुट कर दिया हमने, यहाँ पे भी a over b की जगह हमने पुट कर दिया 7 by 6. We solve and we'll get 51 over 6 over 7 over 6. 6 cut गया, we get 51 over 7. So we get ratio 51 ratio 7. So ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 भी हमारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है. होपफुली आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any question you can ask in comment section. Thank you.